So hi all, welcome to the market analysis video for Monday. So in the last video, market analysis video for Friday, I have discussed that market has stretched a bit, and global market will can impact like Nasdaq. So it has happened exactly the same, and you can check the last video. So for now, what we have is now Nifty. If you see, it has taken support from the previous candles here. So 18th July candles, daily candles. So now this level will decide. So the probability are there okay, market can break this level after some consolidations. So for better understanding, if you look that weekly time frame, it has makes long wicks on the top. So let's see what happened now. This above 19567 below, the this is support zone. Below that retest can happens, and the importance for all of us that if market came around 19,000 zone for the profit booking, so it will be best for us, then we can go directly for long after the retest. So why I'm saying this multiple times, see RSI weekly time frame, RSI is now almost 73, and previously whenever RSI came in this range around 76 79, market has shown good profit booking from the top. So that's why I'm saying whenever market come for the retest, especially in 19,000 somewhere here, so RSI will be little bit of cool off, and market also can take support from here, retest that, then market can continue its rally. Okay, so for now, if you see, this trend line will act as a very good support for us, and this trend line from here market can take support from upcoming days. And let's move towards the daily time frame. So daily time frame, if you also see that RSI has making almost high of 80, and now it has showing some down move. So in daily time frame also, this level is very very important. The level that is coming around the previous candle's low, 19,700, this level is very important. So in a 15, whenever we come in the 15 minutes time frame, so we can adjust that a bit. So around 19,700 is that the levels. So for Monday, what we have to do is we only initiate our selling trade below 19,700 levels, and for long trade we have to wait above 19,820, 815 in this range. If you see that this trend line is acting as a resistance for Nifty. Similarly, above this trend line, this or this line also, horizontal line also 19,818. This above this level, we only can initiate our long trade in Nifty, and the first target you can book are 19,880, the resistance zone, and above that also there is a gap. So if it is sustained above this range, then 950, this range also can be tested. Okay, 943, 950, this range also can be tested for Nifty. We only going to execute long trade above only this level, but we have to be careful because this is a small range, 50 60 point above there is a resistance. So be careful if you are planning for buying, or below 19,700 you can plan for selling, you will get a very good opportunity. And for that reason, these levels around 600, this level will be very important levels, and below 600, this previous resistance zone around 560, 550 to 560, this zone also will act as a very good support for Nifty. Okay, so we can sell below 19,700, and hopefully we'll also get this target for sure. And if we also move towards the bank Nifty, first, see the weekly time frame. So in weekly time frame, there is nothing negative. It has made strong bullish candles with with a good volume, I must say. But RSI is now in 70, so it has some more pace in the upside. But intraday basis, in weekly basis, it has some more space in the upside. But if you see in the daily time frame, it has making double top kind of patterns in RSI, and started declining and make it doji in the top. So let's see what happened, what we have in 15 minutes time frame. So in 15 minutes time frame, the resistance, the all-time high area, this is coming around 46,300, and it has taken support from 45,936. Okay, so for tomorrow, for Monday, our analysis will be, we only execute a trade hour below 45,936, 46,000 will be our stop loss, and we can initiate a very good trade. And if you're planning for long, for above 46,200 in this range, don't plan for directly buying, because 40 only buy above 46,300. We can only execute our trade above 46,300, and we can execute our selling below 45,936. Okay, this box we will execute our trade below this box. And if you initiate your trade, 45,800 will be your first target, the psychological number and previous resistance area. And below 45,800, 45,650 to 651, this range also can act as a very good support. Okay, and if I also mark the next level, the level is coming around important level around 45,400 in this area. This all level can be tested for bank nifty, and we only execute our trade this 46,300 to 46,000, in this range. Don't initiate any trade. Market can consolidate here, or a lot of premium decay can happen. So in Nifty Finance, for see the weekly time frame like bank nifty, it has made very good candles, bullish candle at the top, but trading at previous rejection zone. It has in the weekly 3rd July it has making high, and in this week it has taken rejection from the same area 20,500, from where it has taken resistance. And if you see the weekly time frame, RSI is also in around 80, 73, 75 in this range. Whenever market came, RSI came in this range, we have experienced good profit booking. So let's see what happened in daily time frame. In daily time frame also, it has making double top kind of patterns. Okay, 20,600 is the resistance zone. This zone is working as a resistance zone, and it has making doji at the top. So, and here also RSI has making double bottom kind of patterns, and it started declining. So let's see in 15 minutes time frame, the zone is very clear around 20,650 in this range. So for intraday basis only, we only execute our trade for long above only these levels intraday basis. And 20,470, 500 to 480 in this range, it is a support area. So market can show some profit booking if it is break these levels. So if it is break this level, 20,400 will be the next support area, and below this 317 in 317 is the next support area, and below that 20,239 will be the next support area. Okay, and for long we have to wait about 20,630 for breakout, and 600 will be a stop loss, and you can execute your trade around 750, 700 in this range. You should book a profit or trail your stop loss. So this is simple analysis for Nifty Finance. We will execute our trade after the breakout, and similarly after the breakdown we can execute our short trade. And if I move toward the stocks now, so the first stocks that I'm going to discuss, it is HDFC Bank. So after the result, it has shown profit booking from the top, and now it is consolidating in this range. So for now, it has the level that is trading at 1674. So in HDFC Bank, we can execute our selling trade below this level 1674, and we can get a very good target around this swing low around 1664 will be our first target. And if it is not sustained, I'm hoping it will sustain, then 1642 will be our next target. 1642, 1630, all this level will work as a very good support area. And if you are planning for long, only above 1691, above 1690, we can plan for long. And you have to be careful in this range because 1700 is the resistance zone, and if it's 1700 it is even breakout, then this swing high 1720 will be our next target. And for selling after the breakdown, we only initiate our trade, and all the levels are mentioned here. Okay, so this is for HDFC Bank. And if I now move to TCS, I have said that for Friday 3438 below we can execute our trade after a breakdown, but it has given a long breakdown, and taken 3397 as support, and now it has break this support as well. So for better understanding, I can remove the drawings and see, this is a very important area 3360 from where market has taken support. So now if I mark the low, if I use the Fibonacci here, see, this is a very 0.618, this is a very good support area. Okay, so we can execute buying from in this range, and the target we can expect around 3400. Okay, and above 3400, there is also one possibility is this level also can be tested. And if I remove the Fibonacci, so this is the level it is coming around 3365, 3400, and 3435. So you can watch that level or market over flat in this range. And you also can see in 30 minutes time frame it has very good buying volume from the bottom. You can see that. So we can execute our buying in these levels with a stop loss of 10 to 15 points will be our stop loss. 3353 will be our stop loss, and we can get very good target around 3400. market get little bit oversold zone area, so it will not take more time to achieve all our target. So in TCS our levels are very simple. We can execute our trade from the bottom, and first target is 3400 and 3335 will be our second target. And if you're planning for selling below that level, see market not it has sold a little bit of oversold, so market cannot break this level directly and show some further selling. So market can retest all these levels, then can go for further selling, and whenever it will break 3365 in this area, then it can also come towards 3327 to 3250 in this range. It can come very easily. 3272 in this range, market can come very easily. But for now we are only planning for buying in this range, and if you found that market has taken reduction from the top, you can plan for selling after the breakdown of these levels. Okay, so this is simple analysis for TCS. And the next stocks which I'm going to discuss is M&M. M&M, if you also see, it has taken support from 1523 in this area, and little bit of oversold. So if you also see the auto sector, it is quite positive rather than the other index. So now our analysis will be, it can it can be false breakdown. So in 15 minutes time frame, if we saw some good candle here, bullish candle, so from here you can go long. Our analysis will be from here we can go long. Okay, don't go for selling in M&M. It can make double bottom kind of patterns, and now can give a breakout. If it takes support, it will easily come toward 1540, 1550 in this range. And after that also, if it is taken break this level, then 1570, 1575, 80, all this level can be tested. So for M&M our analysis will be, market came this in this range, taken support from here, then go for buying in M&M. It will really helpful. This is simple analysis. Don't plan for selling now. M&M is a little bit of oversold in RSI also 29 points here, so market can take support from here and go towards 1550, 1570 in this range. Okay, so the next stocks which I am going to discuss, it is not TDSL, where it is. So it is Adani Enterprise. Adani Enterprise, we have discussed that levels in the previous video. So our plan was below this thin line we can plan for selling, but in daily time frame if we see that it has continuously, let me remove the drawing. So it has continuously making rejection from the top 24th 2440 the rejection level, and primary support is 2400. So in 15 minutes time frame we can execute our trade, good trade, only above breakout or breakdown of these levels. So here our support area will be this range 2400, and the resistance area is coming around 2450 in this range. So in Adani Enterprise our analysis will be very simple. Like in the previous few days ago we have discussed about Bajaj Finserv. We can execute our trade in breakout, Bajaj Finance, sorry, market has consolidated like the same, and whenever it has given breakout we get a very good target. So in Adani Enterprise also we can execute a very good trade after the breakout of this range. Whenever market come in this range, you also can plan buying from the bottom, then your stop loss will be very 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 less though, so you can achieve your target around 2451, and if it is break also, then 2494 is your second target. And similarly, whenever you found that it has broken this 2400 levels, you can directly jump for a shorter target around 2436 will be yours. 2460, 36, 2463, sorry, in this range market can come very easily after the breakdown of this range. Okay, so and this range is very important area. You will find that this is a very important area. So after the 2400 breakdown you can plan your trade, and this is number one scenario. After the breakout, number two is market come here, plan for buying from the bottom, and number three is whenever market break this level you can plan for selling as well. Okay, so this is three momentum can happen, so you can plan accordingly. And that's all for this video guys, and I hope this analysis will help you for tomorrow, and I will also share the result as usual. And best of luck for tomorrow. All the best.